Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Bose QC Ultra, then press and hold the power button for 2-3 seconds to enter Bluetooth mode. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. Make sure airplane mode is off. Once done, clear distracting pairings by forgetting older Bose entries so the laptop searches fresh. This reduces conflicts and speeds discovery. Now leave the headset in pairing mode while you move to the laptop to find and select the device. You should see Bose QC Ultra appear in the laptop's available devices. Click it to pair. If a PIN prompt appears, enter 0000 or accept the pairing confirmation. This authorizes the secure link. Make sure to grant audio and microphone permissions when asked so calls and system sounds use the headset. Once paired, open sound settings and choose QC Ultra as the default output and input. This ensures media, alerts, and voice apps route to the headphones without extra manual switching. You finish by testing. Play music and run a microphone check in sound settings or a voice app. Tweak volume on both ends for balance. For better quality, select aptX or AAC in advanced Bluetooth settings if available. Make sure no other active Bluetooth devices are hogging bandwidth. If you run into trouble, restart the laptop's Bluetooth service or reboot, then remove and repair the headset. As a key troubleshooting tip, update the laptop's Bluetooth drivers and the Bose firmware. Outdated software often causes connection instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.